beauties, good morning. So I know I look a little funny right now, but basically I am going to my I went to the Nivea event recently, which is my first big influencer event, but I'm going to another one that's a big one. It's for Neutrogena, and you'll see a bunch of stories, bunch of content on Instagram, of course. So if you haven't followed me already, you should. It's all linked in my description. But today is for Neutrogena, and it's an early morning thing, so I'm supposed to be there by like 10:45, and it's already close to 8. So I'm on a time crunch, but we need to prep our skin. All I do is I just take like these so my mold is of these like balls, right? Can you see it? It's too cold. Anyways, so all I do is just like massage it all over my face, and trust me, ever since I've started icing my face, my acne has really come in control. So in case you've tried everything and like nothing is working for you, maybe you can try this as well. It's not a guarantee that it'll work for you just because it works for me, but I think I really like it. And it just overall makes my skin also just firm, you know what I mean? It's a little painful when you start doing it. Like every morning I get like one jhatka every time I put the ice on my face, but yeah, so that's that. So today I'm going to take you through everything. I will take you through the event, I'm going to take you through what I did there, and the whole prep, the journey. And I'm going alone because we weren't allowed to get plus ones. My videographer will be coming, but like I don't have Dhrutesh by my side, and I'm just so used to having him everywhere that I'm kind of nervous. And this event has a lot of bigger influencers as well, so you know, I'm not really good with the whole speaking in public. Unless I'm put on the spot and I just don't have an option, then I'm good to go. But like, it's not the first choice I ever make. So let's see how it goes. I'm actually really nervous. Update, I just finished doing my makeup. My hair's still wet, so we need to get to that, but we'll blow dry it after it gets air dried for a little bit. But for the outfit, the theme of the event is either we have to wear all white semi-formals or formals, and or black. So black or white is the only two options that I have. I did have an outfit in mind, so we're gonna try it on and see if it actually looks the way I'm visualizing it. Okay, so this is the final look. I am all ready. I did my hair. I'm wearing some jewelry, very minimal because that's the requirement of today, and I'm just wearing like this heavy bracelet because I feel like I want to make a little bit of a statement. But y'all are not ready for my outfit. It's looking so good. It's so feminine, but at the same time it's so girl boss. I'll show y'all. Hold on. It's just so pretty. I love it. For Neutrogena's event, and I couldn't take you all through everything that happened, but there are going to be a lot of bits and pieces that you see throughout the video. So I have Rishabhi here. She's helping.
I was not ready for this. Hi everyone.
I have Rishabhi here. She's helping me shoot today. She's acting as my DOP.
Many people are coming to her and asking her to pose. This is great.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's like 7:15 on the 29th. It's been 2 days since your last saw me vlog, which was for Neutrogena. Today is Lakme Fashion Week. You know, last year I actually worked on this document because I was working in the agency that was doing a lot of things for Lakme Fashion Week Delhi, and I tried so hard to get tickets for myself, but I didn't get it obviously because I was an executive in the office, so like we didn't get any tickets. But I promised myself that one day I will either go as a model or I would go as an influencer, and at least one of them has come true, and I'm so beyond grateful. It's been on my 2025 vision board, and I was like, how am I ever going to get this? And it happened, so I'm so happy. and it's only because of all of you that I get to do this. So I wanted to really take you guys along with me, show y'all what happens inside, show all the amazing pieces. I also want to show you my outfit because it's so amazing. I'm going to leave at 9:45 a.m. to be there by 11 a.m. because it's going to get super crowded, and my idea is to make sure that I reach early. I get enough time to shoot everything that I want to shoot without it getting too tedious and tiring for myself. So yeah, that's that. So we are at where are we? Geo Convention Center. And we're waiting to go inside the booths, but I think there's a time crunch. But I have my name twin. Her name's also Janvi, and she went to the same school as I did. Actually, we know each other from school, but we never really interacted much. But she's also here, and we've been like, we didn't get to get +1s, so we're going to help each other to shoot content. Watching Tarun's show. Suddenly so awkward.
Janvi is looking super pretty today. Everybody's staring at Janvi.
That's because I am holding my dress and walking everywhere. But yeah, we just finished watching the show. It was really nice. I actually expected more. It ended quickly. So we just stepped down and we came to this little area with really cute pictures, and we did have to take some. We took Polaroids. So she ended up taking a Polaroid. She ended up taking a Polaroid. I ended up taking.
Too short to cover my face.
I know. I have to like really do that. You know how the tall boys used to do that selfie cam. But yeah, I think I'm gonna head home now. Hi you guys. So I just got home, and you guys saw some amazing videos. I loved the Tarun's show. It was pretty shorter than I expected, but it was such an amazing experience. I had my first time at Lakme Fashion Week was definitely a hit. I'm also really tired. Actually, I was quite exhausted right there because I left at 9:45 in the morning and it was already 1 p.m. Hadn't eaten anything, just surviving on literally water. So yeah, my feet started hurting from the heels. So I'm finally home and I feel so good. This is literally what I needed. I ordered some food because, well, I need to have some good food, and I'm waiting for my food to arrive. Okay, so this is a couple of days after. So I'm just editing the vlog for y'all, and I realized that I didn't shoot an outro, which is why I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun at both the events, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.